Hi, welcome to Step by Step Farming. What's the benefit, at least one of them, of having your own garden? Stay tuned and I'll show you why. Here is a benefit of gardening. This is the beginning of spring. I have not planted anything yet, and everything that you see here are things that I've planted either a few years ago or I planted last year. This is my strawberry patch. And yes, it's pretty much overcrowding and I'm going to have to eventually separate it. But I want to show you all of this. All of these flowers. This flower, that's a strawberry. You all could actually see a little part of that right there. Every white flower you see is a strawberry. I've never covered these strawberries ever in the wintertime when it was freezing, in the cold. They're very hardy. I've never lost any of my strawberries ever, and they just bounce right back. Look at this. This is all strawberries. Every white flower that you see has a strawberry attached to it. So this is how plentiful this could be. And like I said, I've never, probably 7 years ago, I planted maybe, I don't know, maybe 9 little strawberry plants, and it has grown to incredible. I'm going to have to actually separate these. Here's another reason why it's good to have a garden. Right here, these are mustard greens, and they look beautiful. I never put a seed in the ground this year. This all came from last year when I planted, guys. All of this is from last year. Let's take a look at this. More lettuce. And I forgot what kind this is. I'm not sure if this is like some type of butter crunch lettuce or something like that. But look at how incredibly beautiful that is. I mean, it's look at that. It came right back. I planted these seeds last year. I've never had to put a seed in the ground. Look at that. And this just came up recently. Here's another one. Lettuce patch right here. Let's look at this. This is garlic. This is garlic that I planted last year. This is garlic. This is garlic. All of this is garlic. All of this is garlic. This whole row, and I have another row as well that I planted full of garlic. Yes, it's got weeds in it, but I have not touched this at all this year. I've never put anything on the ground just yet. So why am I saying this? I'm saying this because this is just a small benefit of having your own garden. It's the ability that the Most High has placed a seed to fall into the ground and to replenish itself, to be able to reduplicate itself. And this is incredible. This is incredible, the way that He has made this to happen. So guys, I just wanted to show you that there's a lot of benefits, and I'm going to be talking about that in another video. But this is just an example. I just want to show you a very short example of what the benefits are of having your own garden. And all of these plants is from last year, with the exception of the strawberries. And those keep popping up continually over and over and over again. But this is the benefits of having your own garden. Self-sustainability, being able to live a self-sustainable lifestyle, to be able to take care of yourself and to grow your own food. Thanks for watching.